si Daddy, somewhere in front. Likod yan. Yun yung
Can
gitna.
I see? Bush is in the way, isn't it? The bush is in the way.
Jael, nandun oh. Wala na. Yeah, because this is the center. Well, yeah, that works as well. But that one is farther than this one. Sorry, reserved po yan lahat. Nice. Thank you. Maybe we can sit here. Can you go down? Okay. Because I can't. Yeah, that's okay. I think we're good here. Ayun yung gitna. I know! Dito! Kasi ayun siya oh. It's too far.
Maybe mawawala ka na po. Dito ka na dali.
Maybe over here? That's smart, right? I want to sit over here.
Sino dyan?
Mas okay to kasi mas malapit ka sa nandun.
Tama nga, narinig ko sa huwag daw yung malapit swimming pool kasi wala na makikita doon.
Oo.
Tama
Yes.
lang ang nakita natin.
May money yan eh, 300
Anak,
something.
nag-swimming kami, nanonood sa'yo, okay lang sa'yo. May nanonood sa'yo, swimming ka, nakaubad ka.
Oo man.
Hindi maganda yun.
Yun din naisip ko.
Dami-daming swimming pool doon sa pupuntahan.
You want to sit up here? Have a look. Have a look. And then if you don't like it,
Gusto mo seat dito?
you can see the umbrella in the way.
Nakausap ka dito ba? Hintayin natin yung ano.
Dito baby! Come in. Kasi mas malapit tayo, ayun oh. Mas kita natin. Yan yun baby yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, bayad dyan 300.
It's alright.
Kaya lang, tingnan mo pala pag nag-swimming ka, makikita ka ng mga tao rito. Mapapanood ka pala. Buti pala hindi natin kinuha yan.
Bakit?
Eh kasi makikita ka ng ibang tao.
Guguwa.
Wala naman, nakakahiya lang. Kasi ano ka dyan, naka-skirt ka, tas basa. Ayaw din ni Daddy.
What?
Yan, na